This video is created for the Global Quality Assurance domain. Viewer discretion is advised. Welcome to the Performance Feedback Writing course. This module is designed in preparation for a web-based learning methodology that combines an interactive virtual classroom learning, meeting, and web seminar capabilities to enable our global quality assurance analysts across global business services sites experience quality, non-traditional, cost-effective alternative without the hassle of in-person gathering style of training. This explores today's modern learning landscape, benefiting blended learners and ensuring the same standard of efficiency of training delivery at every session. Convenience by avoiding the need to travel, easing the tasks of preparation, and enhancing organizational productivity given the increasing demands and scope of our global QAs. This module was created for our Global Quality Assurance Analysts by Judes Ramirez, your Senior Training Officer, who will also maneuver as your virtual trainer. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to describe a standard technique in completing an effective written performance evaluation, enumerate the elements of a properly constructed written performance evaluation, and describe how an effective written performance evaluation impacts the coaching session in between coaches or mentors and agents. Our training session's effectiveness is highly dependent on its learners. Thus, as recipients of this learning activity, you are all required to have a peace attitude. Peace stands for a passion for excellence, an engaging, assimilative, collaborative, and enthusiastic attitude. The four major benefits of quality monitoring directly impact efficiency and cost, training improvements, quality performance, and customer satisfaction. Quality monitoring is one of the most effective methods for improving customer satisfaction levels because it's strategically designed to accomplish the following: gain valuable customer feedback and insights on system operations, increase customer satisfaction by addressing common complaints and evaluating customer needs, and assess agents' listening, problem-solving abilities, call flow control, relationship management skills, and comprehension skills. Performance monitoring often immediately brings to light various issues and information that result in changes to the current talent selection process, to alteration in training methods, coaching, and process improvement strategies. Archive agent calls are often used as reference for continuous agent performance improvement, as well as in setting new standards and training new hires. With a concrete understanding on the valuable role of quality monitoring and agents' performance feedback, as quality assurance analysts, you have a crucial role to fill in this process. Mastery of client-specific standards, global quality process certification, and call calibration knowledge equip an analyst engaging an agent's performance in every call. The use of the Net Promoter Score, or NPS, simplifies the scale or score to represent our evaluation in every attribute. More importantly, we supplement it by providing a written comment or feedback to clearly communicate the specific area that needs to be addressed for an agent's improvement for coaching purposes. With our current business structure, your role as quality experts limits you to communicate the result of every call calibration into quality monitoring forms. Though it may be easy to select a number from a scale of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, it has always been a challenge to provide a complete and concrete written performance feedback, as it is not easy to express in writing. At this point, it's time to voice out your insights. We'll divide the class into 5 groups. Each group will be given 15 minutes to discuss common difficulties and strategies in writing quality monitoring feedback or comments in the process of call calibration. Each team will be given a marker and an easel sheet to document the points raised and 5 minutes to present their findings to the class. This activity encourages a libertarian educational discussion or ED approach through a focus group discussion or FGD. This means that all opinions are considered in this collaborative exercise as every insight has a grain of truth. Let us begin by counting off from 1 to 5. Ready? Start. Now that we have tackled each of our strategy and difficulty in performing this task, before we move on to the lesson proper, let's have a short refresher on key terminologies. Kindly answer the first page of your learner handouts in 5 minutes. And now, let's discuss each definiendum. Quality is the totality of characteristics of a particular product or service that bears on its ability to satisfy implicit and explicit needs of the customer. We measure quality in the human interface between the customer and the services delivered in various projects we cater to. Service delivery must focus on quality of service to meet or exceed customer expectations as it impacts overall company perception, company brand, customer retention, and present and future revenue. Agent feedback is a performance evaluation type that directs the agent toward training or coaching sessions in order to improve agents' performance based on their job scope. It is a vital component of quality monitoring, serving as the catalyst of performance improvement. When done well, agent feedback can provide many benefits to your call center, including greater efficiency and lower agent turnover. Generally, the aims of a performance evaluation are to give feedback on performance to employees based on skills that are expected to apply in delivering the work scope. Identify employee training needs. Document criteria used to allocate organizational rewards. Form a basis of personal decisions, for example, salary increases, promotions, and disciplinary action. Provide the opportunity for the organizational diagnosis and development. Facilitate communication between employee and management. Validate scripts, work SOPs used on a work process, ensuring service level agreement and operational excellence are met for efficiency and accuracy. Validate policy, protocol, and compliance adherence. Validate adherence to resolution process. Identify efficiency levels in process or product knowledge, and identify efficiency in problem-solving strategies and analysis. A critical component of any quality monitoring program is the scorecard and criteria for agent evaluation. A common approach to evaluating performance is to use a numerical or scalar rating system whereby managers are asked to score an individual against a number of competencies, objectives, or attributes. In some companies, employees receive assessments from their manager, peers, subordinates, and customer, while also performing a self-assessment. This is known as the 360 degrees appraisal form. Good for communication patterns. Once agents receive feedback, they enter training and coaching sessions designed to improve areas of weakness. These training and coaching sessions are created to address common areas of weakness and group issues. They also provide a way for agents to interact with superiors in a non-threatening environment. To review our quality terminologies, refresher,